Hey everyone, today I've got a quick power supply unboxing for you. We're going to be unboxing this Thermaltake Toughpower 750 watt, 80 plus gold semi-modular power supply. We'll show you what's in the box. I did pick this up from the store. If you are interested, I will put links below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. If you are new here to this channel, my name is Ken. This is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into the unboxing of this Thermaltake power supply. Let's take a quick look at the outside of the box. It's a Thermaltake Toughpower series power supply, a 5-year warranty, 80 plus gold modular flat cables, ultra quiet 140 millimeter fan. Again, it's 80 plus gold, Toughpower, 750 watts. Let's take a quick look in the box. Right on the top, you're going to find the warranty information as well as instructions that show you what all the connectors are and where everything plugs in to your motherboard and your computer. We'll start out with the small bag here on the side. It looks like the power cable is in here. This is the one that plugs into the back of the power supply unit and then into the wall. There's also some zap straps in here for cable management to make everything look nice. There's 4 or 5 of those, as well as 4 little screws. These are what you would screw the power supply into your PC case with. We'll pull out the power supply here. It's nicely packaged in a bubble wrap type material. We'll open that up. Let's take a closer look. It's got a nice perforated case. You can see there's lots of airflow. You can see the fan in there. It's the Thermaltake Toughpower series 750 watt. And on the back, you'll see the on and off switch, as well as where you'd plug in your power cable. On the back, you'll see the color-coded modular connectors for the cables that you'd like to add to your build, as well as the connected 24-pin main power connector and the ATX 12-volt connector 8 pins, and there's 2 of these daisy-chained together. In the box, you'll find this nice little pouch with Velcro on it. And this is where you'll find all your cables for your build. Let's have a closer look. They are color-coded, red and black. The red cables are your PCIe cables. That's where it connects to your power supply. And on the other end, they're daisy chained together, 6+2. So a nice clean build if you want to connect multiple devices. There are 2 of these cables in the box. And then we've got our SATA connectors here. So these are the SATA power supply connectors. I'll show you how these are daisy chained together in just a moment. So there's 4 connectors on each of these cables. That's the connector that goes into the power supply. And you've got a second one of these cables as well. The third black cable here is your peripheral cable. If you'd like to add a CD drive, a DVD drive, or even a floppy drive, you can do that with this cable. It has 4 peripheral connectors that are 4-pin. This is where you would connect it to your power supply unit with that cable. Then it's also got the FDD connector to connect to a floppy drive. The 4th black tipped cable in the box is actually another SATA power cable. Let me unwrap this so we can take a closer look. So on the one end, you're going to see the power connector that goes into the power supply. And as you go down the line, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and 4 SATA connectors. On the PCIe cable, you've got the connector that goes into the power supply, and then you've got the 2 6+2 connectors on the other end that are daisy chained. And that's everything that you get in the box of this Thermaltake Toughpower 750 watt, 80 plus gold semi-modular power supply. So I hope this video was able to help you out if you're making a decision on buying a power supply unit. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.